guys, on this particular video for this class I'll be showing you how to auto tune color, auto contrast, and then how to increase the brightness or make color levels of your image on Photoshop. Now let's get started. I locate my picture. We're going to work with this particular picture. Drag, just like I've always said. Now our picture is here. How do you auto tune this picture or auto contrast? Simply you can go to image, auto tune, and if you watch, the color has changed. You go to auto contrast, same. You come down to auto color. Now these are actually effective tools. To zoom this picture, hold alternative. That's if you're using a standard mode. Alternative, then you scroll button. It's a bit closer now. Now there are other ways to increase the color levels and brightness of this particular picture. How do we do that? We go to layer, new layer adjustment. Here now is the brightness and the contrast. Okay, now just watch attentively. If you notice, this color is dropping. See, let's just see if you have a picture that has much light in it. This is the best tool to reduce. Are you seeing? So now with these tools you can manipulate pictures all you want. This picture has changed contrast. We'll come down to another tool under new adjustment. Let's talk about the curves. Now do you see? Now these are all used to manipulate pictures. Ctrl Z, Ctrl alternative Z. So we go back to the layer adjustment, work on the levels. Now on these levels I can change the color of this image by red. Now I'm trying to match it with the color at the background a bit, and that's what I'm trying to do. If you come down to green, you can use auto. Now you see, if you come down to blue, it's still possible to use auto. Then I can edit this all I want. Now these are great image manipulation tool. I'm going to encourage you to get a picture, work on it, and then feel how these tools work so that you get used to it. Thank you for watching this particular video. I am Emmanuel.